Hello and welcome to Enigma Tech Sundays, the show where we bring you the tech news from all around the world in just 5 minutes. Enigma Tech Sundays is the initiative taken by IEEE SIGST of the highlighting the best STEM news that can include milestone discoveries, updates, anecdotes of the entire week.
I'm your host Harshita Srivastav along with
Prathamesh Patil,
and we are here to discuss about the partnership between Google and Indonesian tech giant Indosat Ooredoo and Facebook's steps towards privacy. We'll be covering the ins and outs of the tech world, and we have a special surprise for our viewers towards the end. So make sure you watch all the way for the details.
The first news is about Google Clouds helping Indonesian SMEs to digitalize. Google Cloud and Indosat Ooredoo announced a strategic partnership. Through this partnership, Indosat Ooredoo will offer SMBs new cloud-based and 5G-enabled digital solutions designed that will empower new business models and enable them to tap new markets and opportunities that would not have been possible before.
Facebook, a well-recognized tech giant known for its controversies in privacy, plans to stop using facial recognition, which recognizes people in photos and videos posted on the social network, marking a massive shift for the tech industry, but promises to continue its research in the field of AI and facial recognition.
Comms industry looks to AI to solve climate change, as GSMA has issued a timely warning that mobile network operations could and should do more to lower the carbon emission in the coming years. The panel of the network specialists suggested the measures that they anticipate being the most cost-effective in improving energy efficiency and would be AI. AI has clear and tangible benefits to improving energy efficiency and is a big part of the solution driving sustainable 5G networks.
Researchers at the Vector Institute, University of Waterloo and the Perimeter Institute for Theoretical Physics in Canada have recently developed variational neural annealing, a new optimization method that merges recurrent neural networks with the principle of annealing that works by generalizing the distribution of possible solutions to a given problem using a parameterized model.
Blue Origin, the rocket and space tourism company founded by Jeff Bezos, is proposing a new commercial space station called Orbital Reef that could be used to host science experiments, vacation getaways, and potentially even in space manufacturing. Blue Origin and Sirius Space plan to co-finance the space station, though executives declined to give an all-in cost estimate during the press conference.
The 2021 Antarctic ozone hole reached its maximum area on October 7. The scientists from NASA and NOAA reported on October 27, 2021. This year's ozone hole developed similarly to last year's. A colder than usual southern hemisphere winter led to a deep and larger than average ozone hole that will likely persist into November or early December.
That's it for this week and this season. We'll continue to nail down more of the exciting news for our dedicated viewers. Hope to see you all in the next season. We are glad to see your unconditional support and we'll be back very soon. Till then, stay happy, safe and follow IEEE SIGST on YouTube and Instagram for more such incredible technology related content.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe.